Hello friends, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Did you know we have a brand new release coming out in July and I get to share a look at the new things with you right here, right now. It is sneak peek day here at Trinity Stamps. Yay! I'm so happy to be here with you today sharing the entire July release, which hits the shop on July 2nd. So you're going to want to check that out. You're going to want to stay tuned to see all the new things. And the reason why I have this here, which is our circle shaped die set that makes a circle shaped card, is because we have 3 new add-ons that can go on this circle card, and I think that's very exciting. So we already have tons, but we just love coming up with new ways for you to be able to use this. So we're going to jump right in and take a look at our first set. It is the fish bowl die set. So this is made to go on the circle shape card, but also it can be used completely on its own. So choices. We love choices. So this is one of those sets. Let's take a look at the back because there's always a little diagram of what your set's going to look like put together. And I think that's very handy so you can see where all the parts and pieces go. So this is that fishbowl set. And I have one that I die cut out so you can see it kind of in real life, what it looks like in paper, and it's just darling. This is a very simple version of it. You can really go to town and dress this up with some ink blending. You can probably add things that you might already have in your stash. It's just a really fun set. I love the sunken ship. So that is our first add-on, the fishbowl add-on, and it's going to fit just exactly on this circle right here. And you can see you'll have a little bit right here hanging off, but it will still fit in an A2 size envelope, which we love. So there is that fishbowl set. All right, you want to see the next set in our new add-ons for the circle shape card? It is the porthole die set. It's cool. It's really cool. So again, this circle fits on the circle shape card, which if I didn't mention is 4 1/4 around. So this is going to fit and cover up the whole thing. You won't have a border at all around it. And this die is going to cut out 2 different rings that create a portal. And then you've got the dies to fill in a little scene that you might see looking out the porthole of a ship and you're underwater. So very, very cool. I have one that I die cut so you can see what it looks like on that card. Isn't that great? And you can see the 2 different rings here. You've got some seaweed, some coral, some waves. You can put that at the top or the bottom of your card, little fish. And then I did a little bit of stenciling on mine to really like bring it to life. So it's really fun to be able to use some of your newer things with stuff you might already have in your stash. A lot of this release is stuff you can build into what you might already have. And I just find that so exciting. So fun. So that is add-on number 2 for the circle shape card. We have one more and it's a cutie and it's got something that just makes me so happy. So this is the beach ball die set. Again, 4 1/4 circle, but there's something cool. This one is stitched, which I think is so fun. Now you can use that with so many of maybe the circle add-ons that you already have, but have a stitched element, and all of the other dies in here are stitched. So let's take a look at what that beach ball looks like. Isn't that cute? You will not believe today I saw a stuffed beach ball with a little face and some little legs, and it looked just like this. It was so very cute. So I think this is kind of popular, and you could really do a lot with this, adding things onto the front of it. You know, I'm going to be putting a face on mine, so pull out your face dies and add them on here with me. And look, it fits there perfectly. You can also pull out some different colors, maybe some pattern paper to dress up your beach ball. And you don't have to use this with the circle shape card. You could put this on a scrapbook page. You could make a mini album with this. So many fun things. So there we have the beach ball die set. That is our complete line of new additions for the circle shape card for July. Now we're going to take a look at our tiny sets. We have 3 new tiny sets coming out. Our first new tiny set is the tiny tropical fish. Okay, so we've got dies here to make 4 little tropical fish cuties. Look at them. So much fun and so many little ways that you can kind of design your own fish. It doesn't have to be these exactly, right? You could totally make a custom fish. I think that would be really fun to do, but you can change up the color of these, and there are the tiny bubbles you can add, which is so cute. So here you can see what these look like die cut, see what they look like in paper, and I think they're darling. And remember, you could add these to that fishbowl, you could add them to the portal, and probably with other things you already have. Make a little fish tank. I think these are so cute and really fun to change up the colors. So there you have tiny tropical fish. Such a good like layering die set with the details, but not too hard to put together either. Love that. All right, so we have 2 more tiny sets. Let's move on to maybe my favorite one. This is the Tiny Aquarium Elements. Do you see what we have right here? A little sandcastle, a little like stone tiki looking guy here. I love it. And you've got some other elements. So let's see what they look like from paper. Here is that sandcastle. Oh my stars. It's so cute. So fun. Just a little bit of ink blending there to help the layers stand out. There's 2 layers, and this is actually the 3rd little piece. So kind of 3 layers there. And then we have our little stone guy. So cute. We've got 2 different greenery options. So this one's all hooked together, but our next one is more wavy, and it's 3 little elements. So you can add as many of these as you want, design them, you know, however you want them to go. You can kind of group them and have them spread out. We have 3 different size rocks, so you can add some rocks in there. We've got 2 different size coral pieces. So good. We have a wee little starfish, and then 2 more fish that you can add in. And these are a little bit smaller. So I love that we have the different scales of fish that we can use in all these different die sets. So this is that Tiny Aquarium die set. Very fun. Look at all the fun things. Love it. Okay, we have 1 more tiny set I'm bringing in for you, and that is the Tiny Island. I love this. I love a little like deserted island look. So there you have it. All the waves, the trees, the things that you want for your little deserted island. And I love these pieces right here measure 4 1/4, so they can go across your A2 size card. And I just think that is very clever and very nice to have, you know, to have the waves there that you can make your island really come to life. So here are those waves, and you can see you can layer them up. You could have a little separation like that. You could use 1 on your card, however you wanted to do it. Here is that 3rd layer, like that. Very fun. Okay, then we have our actual island piece, which you could tuck in behind here, however you wanted. And then you've got your tree options. Now we have 2 different size trees, and they each have their own trunk. And you could have your trees kind of bend in, or you could have them bend out or bend away. So however you like it, whatever look you want to go for, you can do. So there's they're kind of bending away, right? But you could switch these and have them curve in. And I love that. And I love that the trunk is separate, so you can easily color them up however you want. And then we have our little boat. Now, the cool thing about the boat is the bottom has a little ripple in it. So if you put it in the water, you don't have to like tuck it in. It kind of already looks like it's tucked in. And then the boat has little pieces to bring it to life, like a little bit of a cabin look to just help the boat not look so tiny and flat. Ooh. And then we can add our mast. There's a little die for that. So that'll go in here. And then you've got your sails, 2 different size sails to really make a cute little sailboat. Isn't that fun? So there's all the pieces for Tiny Island. I love it. Isn't it really cute? You can see there the trees curving out. Yeah, so you can make this really however you want. Make a little scene and add to it as much or as little as you like. So that is Tiny Island. I think these waves are going to be great. good for a lot of things. So there we have it. There's our collection of tiny dies. I would really love to know what you guys think of the tiny sets for this release. Which one's your favorite? And yeah, let us know in the comments, because we love to hear from you and get your feedback, your encouragement, your ideas. And next we have a new collection that we are launching with this release. I'm very excited about these. Going to be great for making quick and easy cards where the sentiment is the star of your card, which is why this collection is called Starring Sentiment. So this is the I Lava You, and this is the Thanks So Much. So you can see it's a large, bold sentiment that you can put on the front of your card and have it be the star. And then there's a layering piece, so you can layer up all those letters. You have something in each of the sets that's kind of takes the place of a letter and creates an image that represents that sentiment. So on I Lava You, the A has been replaced with a little volcano. You've got some eruption and you have a little bit of lava coming down the edge of the volcano. It's just so fun. So there's I Lava You. And then we also have the Thanks So Much. And you can see on the K, it gets turned into a fish. And the K has a lot of embossed lines in it that create the tail and the top fin. And then you've got some die cut pieces that you put over the top to make it into a fish. Here's your little detail pieces. There's the little mouth. And again, some of these pieces are tiny, like the mouth you could draw in if you prefer, but you also have the die if that's how you roll, because each, person has their own way that they like to do things. So there's the two sets, and now let's see them made out of paper. Here's the I Lava You. I've popped up those bold letters. I've got the little eruption pieces and the little lava coming down. It's really cute. And then we have our Thanks So Much. Again, I popped up those bold letters, and to really help the tail and the fin pop, I use some alcohol markers to dress that up. And look at the tiny die cut fin here at the bottom. It's just perfect. And then you've got your mouth and your eye. And I love how this part is scripty with that bold font there. It's just really fun. So imagine these on the front of your card. They're the star of it, and you can add just a little bit to the background. I will be doing an entire video with the I Lava You set as my release day video. So I'm going to be sharing different ways that you can use this die, and I've just had so much fun with it, and I can't wait to show you. I have like 4 things already for that video. Some will be completed cards and some are going to be ideas for you, and then you could use those to make completed cards. So I'm excited about that. But not only do I have a video on release day, our entire video team has videos. So you're going to be able to hop along with us and see all of those videos and get lots of inspiration. Our design team is amazing, and they have such clever ideas. I can't wait for you to see what they come up with this new release. And we're also going to be having an Instagram hop on release day. And so you're going to see tons of inspiration there. We also have guest designers joining us for this release. So you're going to be able to see just a ton of new things. And we also do a giveaway on release day, so that is going to be fun. And then we do a full release video, so you can see us playing with these products, and you can ask questions and we'll answer you in the chat because it's a live video. So that is going to be on July the 2nd. Mark your calendars. It's only a couple days away, and you can get your first look at some amazing projects with these and be able to shop for them yourselves. So stay tuned for that. Plus, on release day, we are going to be introducing you to the brand new Anatomically Adorable freebie, which means you only have a couple days left to get the hipster set. So if you're collecting them all, don't miss out on getting that. It's free with purchase. If you spend $50, you get it for free. It's a stamp and die combo. We have a new one every month, and when they're gone, they're gone. So we'll be making way for a new one in July, and I'm excited for you to see that one. They're punny, they're cute. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you back again here in the next 2 days for sneak peeks from some of our design team. So we'll see you then, and happy stamping. Bye.